Good afternoon. I'm Charlie Demar. The governor and health leaders giving an update on the impact of the coronavirus this afternoon. And as expected, it is spreading across the state with new counties affected. CBS 2's Jeremy Ross was there. He is live outside the Thompson Center. Good afternoon, Jeremy.
Good afternoon, Charlie. More than a dozen new cases just announced in different parts of the state now being impacted. Governor J.B. Pritzker disappointed in how some are not helping to slow the spread of the virus.
We saw a lot of crowds out and about today, and I need to be frank. We can have a massive positive effect on bending the transmission curve, thereby saving lives, if people will take this seriously.
That observation after the governor saw large gatherings as part of St. Patrick's Day celebrations that could potentially help spread the virus. He said the state has identified 18 additional cases, 18 new cases. Illinois has 64 in total now, spanning 8 counties. That includes the first cases in central and southern Illinois. Among the new cases, a DuPage County woman in her 60s residing in a long-term care facility. County health officials contacting everyone that was in contact with her, as that can be a medically fragile population. The state breaking down the transmission of the virus as followed. Approximately a third travel-associated transmission, another third contact with the person with a confirmed case, and the final third may be community transmission that's generally passing the virus from one person to another. Now today, the University of Chicago announcing, with limited exceptions, no visitors will be allowed at the University of Chicago Medical Center. But it is important to note, while the virus spreads, the state says there are no reported deaths, and for those testing positive, most are having a positive outcome.
Most of them are in the process of recovering. So they're finishing, most of the people are finishing out their home isolation or even doing some isolation in the hospital. Our first 2 cases are out of the hospital, out of the isolation period.
Now the governor adding, if you think you might have COVID-19, first and most importantly, call a healthcare provider. Stay at home, make that phone call. Do not go to a hospital unless your condition is extremely serious. We are expecting yet another update tomorrow at approximately 2:30 in the afternoon. Live outside the Thompson Center, Jeremy Ross, CBS 2 News.
Jeremy, thank you so much.